Namaste. My name is Gunjan Paliwal, roll number BT20EC070. This video is a part of evaluation for embedded systems course instructed by Dr. Ankit Burane sir and Dr. Amit Agrawal sir. So this is our code which we made for the ATM like machine. Here it takes the SSID and the password of the Wi-Fi network, and also we are blinking the LED whenever some operation gets successfully done. So LED input pin 2 is also taken, and we have set the various flags like the withdraw status and various other flags so that we can manage the operations. We have stored the user ID, that is account number, PIN, and the amount, that is the current balance, in a variable. And this is the bot token of the Telegram which we get from the Telegram bot, and these are the Google script IDs for various operations. So here is our function which handles new messages, like it reads the messages from the Telegram, and the data which user input gives the input, it sends it to the spreadsheet. Like we start from the first message which says us to login in our account. So when we use this command, it asks for our account number. When we type the account number, and if the account number is present, and that is if the account number is valid, then it asks for the pin, and then we enter the pin, and if the pin is correct, then it glows the LED, and if the pin is incorrect, then it shows this message, that is invalid account number, invalid password. So whenever some operation is getting successfully done, it shows LED being blinked on the ESP32. So here is the code for blinking of the LED. Then also we have an option for logging out from the account. And if a user tries to log out before logging in, then it shows that first we have to log in. Then we have various operations, like this is for checking the balance. This is for withdrawing some amount from the account. If the withdrawing is successful, then it shows this message. And if the amount which the user wants to withdraw is greater than the current balance of the account, then it shows this message that you don't have sufficient balance to withdraw. Also we have deposit command which deposits money to the account. So basically the withdraw and deposit gets the input from the user through Telegram bot, and it sends it to the Google spreadsheet which is working in the backend, and the Google spreadsheet stores each and every data of the user. Then we have command for transactions. It shows how many transactions the user has done till now. So we have set a variable count, and we increase it every time the user deposit or withdraws the money from his account. Also we have an option for updating the pin of the account. So like the transactions and the update means are the two new features which I have added from myself, apart from the task which was given. So update pin asks for the new pin, and it sets the pin successfully to the spreadsheet. And this is the message which is shown after each operation, so that it's easy for user to know which command should he use. Then this is our setup block, where we have initiated the pin mode, that is pin 2 as the output, and we have initialized Wi-Fi also. And this is our loop function where all the processes are taking place. So this is the spreadsheet which we have created, where it has this columns, the username, PIN, deposit, withdraw, number of transactions, and the balance. And this is the app script. This function we have created for sending the data from user to the Google spreadsheet. And this function is for reading the data from Google Sheets to the code. And then we have deployed using this new deployment, and from here we manage our deployments. So this is our Telegram bot, Telegram ATM bot, which we have created, and we have named it as ATM70. We'll use this bot for all the operations. So let's start with it. We will give it login instruction. We have entered our account number. Now we will enter our account number PIN. And as the PIN is correct, we have logged in successfully. Now we can perform various operations. First of all, we will withdraw some money. So now we will withdraw 1,000 rupees. And withdrawn successfully. Now we will use deposit function. Now we will deposit 2,000 rupees. Deposited successfully. Now we will see the balance of our account. So as first we have withdrawn 1,000 rupees. So 15,000 minus 1,000. 15,000 was our initial opening account balance. So 14,000, and then we have deposited 2,000. So 14,000 plus 2,000, that is 16,000. So this is our current balance. Now we'll see this updated data in the Google spreadsheet also. So this is our Google spreadsheet. As we can see that for the first transaction, the withdrawn amount was 1,000. For the second transaction, the deposited amount was 2,000. So here is the total balance which is being updated on the Google spreadsheet. Now we will deposit some amount once again. It will ask us for the amount to be deposited. So let's say it is to be 4,000. Deposited successfully. And as the operations are being done successfully, the LED gets blinked on the ESP32, which I'll be showing in the further video. And we can see that the deposited amount is 4,000, withdrawn is 0, and transaction number which we have performed is 3, and the updated balance is 20,000. Now we will see the number of transactions. As the number of transactions here were 3, we have got 3 as the output. Now we'll try to update the pin. Now it will ask us for entering the new pin. Let the new pin be 1926. The pin has been updated successfully, and we can see that the transaction number remains same, balance remains same, there is no deposit or withdrawn amount, and the pin gets updated to 1926, and the username also remains same. Now I'll show you how LED gets blinked after each successful operation. Let's withdraw some amount. Let it be 1000 rupees. See, as the withdrawing is successful, the LED blinks for a second. Now we'll check the balance. The current balance is 19,000, and we can see that the LED was again blinked. Now we'll log out from the account. And if the logout is successful, the LED will blink as the LED blinked again. So this was how the LED gets blinked whenever any of the operation gets successfully done. This was our ATM like machine which we created using Telegram bot, and then we updated every data of the user which user gave it as input through the ATM bot. It is updated and saved in at the backend, that is in the Google spreadsheet, and it is maintained. So this was all about my ATM machine. I hope you liked it.